Loudspeakers also work on energy conservation. In their process, electrical energy converts into sound energy. We watch TV only due to energy transformation taking place in it. See Figure 8.9. Skill 8.4 Investigate energy conversion from one form to another, and communicate findings. Knowledge 8.5 Energy sources and their classification. To live alive and perform our tasks, we get energy from food. For cooking food, we get heat energy from gas and coal. To light up our rooms, listen to music, we get energy from electricity. Electricity is obtained from water, solar power, wind, etc. Coal, oil, gas, wind, water, and solar power are energy supplies or sources of various forms of energy. You have already learned about these resources in grade 3. Many of these resources can provide endless amounts of energy for millions of years, such as sun, water, wind, etc. Some others can be depleted, such as coal, oil, and gas. On the basis of the availability, these sources fall into two categories, i.e. renewable sources 2. Non-renewable sources. Each energy sources serves various purposes, but their primary purpose is to generate electricity. Our upcoming discussion will focus on this particular use. Renewable energy sources. Sources of energy that do not run out and regenerate in a short span of time are called renewable sources, such as wind, water, sun, and plants. These sources do not produce harmful substances. Thus, keep the environment clean. 2 non-renewable energy sources. Energy sources that can deplete and nature cannot restore them in a short period of time are called non-renewable sources of energy. Major non-renewable sources are crude oil, natural gas, and coal. Non-renewable energy sources come out of the ground. These sources produce gases that cause acid rain and pollute the air. 8.5.1 Comparison between renewable and non-renewable energy sources. The conclusion of Project 1 shows that we use both renewable and non-renewable sources in Pakistan to produce electricity, run our vehicles, and for other purposes. However, we should have knowledge about the merits and demerits of these two classes before we choose a specific source for specific purposes. The table 8.1 given below gives us a glimpse of comparison of these two categories. Table 8.1 Comparison between renewable and non-renewable energy sources. No renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources. 1. These sources are regenerated. These sources cannot be regenerated in short period of time. 2. These sources are never-ending. These sources are limited. 3. They cannot cause pollution. They cause pollution by releasing harmful gases. for they do not produce waste. They produce waste. 5. They are cheap. They are expensive. Knowledge 8.6 Advantages of renewable energy. The Table 8.1 tells us that the use of renewable energy sources has many advantages. Here, we will explore these advantages in detail. 1. Being renewable, the energy sources will never run out. For example, solar energy will not end for the next 4.5 million years. Similarly, water is replenished continuously through precipitation. The availability of non-renewable sources of energy is given in Figure 8.1. Graph showing number of years of production left based on known reserves and present annual production levels. 2. Power plants that run on renewable energy sources use relatively less machinery, which means less maintenance. The transportation of fuels is not required, thus it saves a huge amount. Therefore, the use of renewable sources is cost-effective and provides electricity at affordable prices. 3. Renewable energy sources do not produce harmful gases and thus do not participate in global warming, acid rain, smog, etc.